Good evening. How is your day today? I need to exercise my hand for blood circulation because look at my vein here. The blood will not circulate properly. That's why my vein is weakening. It's in today is 31 of July. Tomorrow is already August 1. Will come month of August, and by month of July and it's weekend. Ito put petroleum jelly in my hand, very dry. I have a abundant blessing this year. We can receive abundant blessing from above. My God.